So this car is missing a front bumper, so I decided I'll make quickly one. So I've taken a paper clip, cleaned it off a bit, you know, the ones that tie sheets, papers together, like, you know, you clip it out in the wide. Anyways, it's just a bit of tin really. And then I'm just going to solder it to this flattened copper wire that's bent around like a bumper. And it should fit in there nicely. Let's see how it turns out. So there's a bumper made up. Just a piece of copper around a bit of paper clip. Now you can do all sorts. You can make a bumper like bending a tin in half and shaping it. You can use a little U-iron you get in the hobby shops. You can use, you know, the copper wire mixed with something else. So there's many different ways. Now there's also cans, on the lid of cans, which I'm going to show you quickly. Now you want a straight can, not a round. You want a straight can, not a round one. But here, this lip makes lovely bumpers. And what you do is you cut a piece of this out, hammer it straight, and then you can put it in as the bumper as well, see? There's a lovely lip on it already. I should show it with a flat tin, which I'm getting now. Here's the flat tin, as an example, right? And so if you put the car in there and you put that on it, where are we there? You can see this lip here, and then you bend it in and the lip down, you have a bumper, which is lovely. They look great. I wanted to make this one up this way. So there's many different ways of looking at it, how to make one. You can just get a standard piece of tin, make a 45, and put whatever you want on it too. So, yeah, so here's another one I was building for something else. See, it was a shape of the tin already, and then I just 45'd them in. It's a piece of tin, and as you can see, it makes a different kind of bumper if I can get my hand out of the way. There, see, like that. I think that was for the back of the car. It makes a different kind. It was a different vehicle, I think it was a tin vehicle. And here's the Land Rover ones. You just put this over the end of the two prongs sticking out in the Land Rover. And this is already a U-iron piece. You can buy them in model shops. And you just fit it over the prong on the end, and you have a bumper there like that. And you just solder in the ends nicely at a half round. That's a nice bumper. So there's tons of ways of making your bumpers for your cars. So I soldered two frets together for two copper wires together to make frets for my 3-string guitars. And here's one made into a bumper, just so you can see that, you know, copper wire can be made into really nice bumpers. And it's not made for any car, it was just for a demo, but you could see how nice it would look if it actually was fitted in there on that car, see? Can't really show it that way because there's a piece sticking out, but anyways, on the back there you can see that. So, you know, you can make these up any way you want. It would need to be a little wider for this car, but you can see how nice that would look on that Mini. So, right? There's a nice slot in the center because of the two wires soldered together from the back. So that looks, you know, another option for making a bumper. There you go.